Hey guys, this is Stronger from Astouch, and I would love to introduce our interactive displays. It is large format display from 55-inch up to the 98-inch available. This interactive display is mainly used for the conference, video conference, and also for education. Our interactive display comes with the 40 points touch points, and it is adopted 5 millimeters tempered glass, so it is very durable to use for the education and also the enterprise video conference. And our latest specs, it is built in the Android 9 version system with the 4 GB RAM and also the 32 storage. We also have the OPS slot available to input the mini PCs. If you need further information, please view the website astouch.net. Thank you.